Okay, in I Know Cooking in Carla's Kitchen today, we're going to do something really fun. It's called Phyllo Cups, and I like to do this for desserts. And it keeps them a little bit lower calorie. And today I'm going to make some, I'm going to take these and fill them and put a little custard and peaches in them. I'll show you that a little bit later. But if you've never worked with phyllo dough before, it comes, you can get it in the freezer section. I get a wheat phyllo dough that's organic, and it comes in these little tiny sheets, and it's fun because people don't really cook with it, so it's always a fun dessert. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of butter in between these two layers, and so a lot of people, I learned this from Chef Kent at one of our local restaurants here, taking a cooking lesson, and he puts butter in between each of them. I've learned that I can get away with putting butter in between every two of them, that way lowering the butter count just a little and helping to keep the calories down. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this right on top of this. It doesn't have to be exact. That's the great thing about phyllo dough. And I'm going to cut it right down the middle lengthwise, and then I'm going to cut it in try to get 6 equal pieces. They won't be exact, but that'll be close enough. And then I'm going to take 3 of these squares, it'll look like this, that's a square, and I'm going to triangle them, kind of offset them off just a little onto each other. Let's see what that looks like. So it looks like that. And then I'm just going to take, and I have a little cup here, I just press them in here, press them into the muffin tin, kind of get their sides up, and they'll bake up just like that. I'm going to finish doing this whole pan, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for 9 to 10 minutes till they get golden brown, and I'll show you what they look like then, and then I'll show you how to fill them and do some really fun desserts. Okay, this is what the phyllo cups will look like when they're cooked. They'll be nice and golden brown. We'll let them cool, and then we'll fill them. Today is going to be a peachy vanilla custard that we're going to fill them with, and then other days I'll show you some chocolate and mixed berries that you can put in them too.
So I just found out